Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, RJO Futures, on the 26th of October with morning comments on stock index futures. Happy Friday. Word of the day is earnings. The macroeconomic news is spooking global stock index futures all over the globe. And here in America, we were down about 7 or 8 points. We hit our support level that we've been mentioning all week in the December S&P future contract, which is 1395. Some people were saying 1392, but we did get that as a low. Currently, we're trading around 1406. We're down only 2. What made the market to rally back about 12 points from the low of last night? GDP. So that could be word of the day number 2. GDP beat the street by just a little, 2.0. Some people were looking for 1.9. Other people were looking for 1.7, 1.5. So I guess 2.0 is a victory, even though it's not all that much. Going back to earnings real quick on a fundamental thought, we have beat the street about 70% of what has been released. So you'd say to yourself, why is earnings negative and pulling the market down? It's been mostly coming from projections on moving forward on revenue. So keep that in mind. So the profit has been where they want it to be. Going forward, it looks like it will shrink, and your profit margins will shrink, meaning your overhead has gone up, the revenues, and so their profits in general will be less, okay? So let's take a look at the technical point of view. We hit our support level that we've been talking about. Long-term trend is up. We're still up over 10, 11%. We pulled back from the peak of last week's high, 4.5%. So that's a decent pullback. We did hit that support level like I'm talking about. If we close underneath it, then we're probably going to go another 20, 30 points looking at the chart. In my opinion, it would be 1362. On the way up, if we can catch some strength, bargain hunting, more earnings coming out, that would be encouraging. 1439 would be the number to beat or get above on a closing basis, and then that would change our downtrend short term to sideways. And then if we could close above 52, we would be going up on a technical point of view, in my opinion. And of course, the old high that we're concerned with is 1461, and of course the target that everybody would love would be 1493. So those are the numbers you want to write down. I think that we will hold that bid at 1395, but it's anybody's guess. That would be something to watch very closely today, because we're closer to that number than any other number looking at the charts. As always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. You should be calling me, Jeffrey Friedman, and we can talk about anything you want, including trading commodity futures. Good luck, good trading, have a great weekend.